Okay, Dad's gonna save this giant snapping turtle that's about to cross the road. Oh, he's so big. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Oh, wow, he's a big guy.
He's so cute. Aww.
Oh, look, he's going back.
What, he's going
He's
back?
making sure he's all right. Oh, he's taking him farther. I don't know why he would cross the road. There must be a body of water over there.
But Mom,
Yeah,
you know that little tiny thingy that was on the road?
it was a bird.
Yeah.
That's sad.
Go slow and then you will see it.
Making sure there's no more. Oh, is that what